your winner take all. And the Rock Tala sa umaga. Draws for your lead. Moving up, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Madam Composita. In between runners, Moonraker. Moving up, Party outside, Gondor. Then followed by Diamond Magic, Amazing Pace. Reality Show is Smart Alec running alongside, followed by Ninjutsu. While Dom Perry Pink is running at the tail of the field as the action turns for home. Tala sa umaga by about 2 lengths. Then running on the outside, Dugo, Anak, Papato, Diamond Magic, Moonraker, and by the rail is entry number 2, Madam Composita with 150 to go. Tala sa umaga by the rail. Dugo, Anak, Papato now takes the lead on the outside and crossing the wire first for race number 4. Second, Reality Show, Tala sa umaga, Moonraker, Amazing Pace. Then comes entry number 9, Smart Alec, 2A Gondor, Ninjutsu, Madam Composita, Diamond Magic, and
Mukhang yung numero 10 ang unang tumawid